Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're taking a look at Whoop, found at Whoop.com, a fitness and health wearable designed to provide in-depth insights into your body's performance and recovery. Whoop offers a subscription-based service that goes beyond basic step counting and heart rate monitoring. It delves deep into metrics like sleep staging, strain, and recovery, offering personalized recommendations to optimize your daily activities and training. The device itself is a sleek, screenless band worn on the wrist, prioritizing comfort and continuous wear. It gathers data 24/7, allowing for a comprehensive understanding of your physiological trends. Whoop's primary focus is on helping you understand your body's readiness to perform. It quantifies the strain your body experiences throughout the day, factoring in both workouts and everyday stressors. By analyzing your sleep patterns and other physiological markers, Whoop provides a daily recovery score, indicating how prepared your body is for the demands of the day. This allows you to tailor your training and lifestyle choices accordingly, pushing yourself when ready and prioritizing rest when needed. The subscription model provides access to the Whoop app, where you can visualize your data, track progress, and receive personalized insights. The app offers detailed breakdowns of your sleep stages, heart rate variability, and respiratory rate, giving you a granular view of your physiological state. You can also connect with friends and join communities within the app, fostering a sense of shared motivation and accountability. Whoop caters to athletes and fitness enthusiasts of all levels, from casual exercisers to professional competitors. Its comprehensive approach to tracking and analyzing biometrics offers a valuable tool for anyone looking to optimize their performance and well-being. While the subscription model might be a consideration, the depth of information and personalized insights provided by Whoop make it a compelling option for those serious about understanding and improving their health and fitness. The lack of a screen on the device itself might seem unusual at first, but it contributes to the comfortable, all-day wearability that is crucial for accurate data collection. This focus on continuous monitoring allows Whoop to paint a comprehensive picture of your physiological state, providing insights that go far beyond the capabilities of typical fitness trackers. Consider visiting their website at Whoop.com to explore the different subscription options and learn more about how Whoop can help you unlock your full potential.